much for joining me for today's meal prep. So today the theme is focusing on healthy ways to cut corners in the kitchen. So what I mean by that is using certain products that just save some time, save some chopping. I'm all about that. So I'm going to show you how I do that shortly. I'm going to be using things like pasta salads, a pad thai noodle dish, and show you how I create that into a well-balanced meal. So definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and check out the full recipes on my website, NicoleLasinga.com.
The theme of this week's meal prep is easy, convenient foods that you can use to help you cut corners in the kitchen. So I'm actually working with Summer Fresh on a meal planning project, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to be making some smashed chickpea sandwiches with avocado, and I'm also going to be doing an avocado toast with hummus. I'm also going to be doing a roasted garlic, hummus, broccoli, and tofu dish. And then I'm going to be making a tzatziki little snack box there, and I'm going to be making this Greek pasta salad. I'm going to be boosting up the nutrition with the edamame, and I'm also going to be making some stuffed peppers with this grain salad. Alright, so the first meal I'm going to be making is this pasta salad that I balanced out with some protein from the edamame, and I also added in a few more veggies here. So I'm adding in some cucumbers and tomatoes, chopping them up, and adding that to the pasta salad for a great, healthy, well-rounded meal. The next dish I'm going to be putting together is a tzatziki vegetable and cracker dish. So I'm literally just portioning the tzatziki into these small containers. They're about, they hold about a quarter of a cup. And then I'm just putting some snap peas and some carrots along with some crackers. A tip for just saving some time as well is to get veggies in these snack boxes that you don't have to chop. So like I said, just throwing the washed snap peas and carrots and crackers into the dish. This next meal is my favorite because it's so simple. I'm just portioning this 5-grain salad, so there's actually some lentils in there for some protein along with a few other grains, and I'm putting them into red peppers. That's it, that's all. You're putting that into the oven for about 30-35 minutes, and you're baking them until the peppers start to slightly brown. Super easy, I love it. The next dish I'm going to be making is a one-pan tofu and veggie dish. So I love adding a bit of hummus to my veggies and then roasting them. I just find that it adds a really great flavor, and it's just minimal steps. So that's what I'm doing here with the broccoli and cauliflower. I'm also putting the tofu on the same pan. So I'm just, I pressed it and I am chopping them into cubes, and I'm adding them to a marinade. So again, you can find the recipe on NicoleLasinga.com. The last recipe I'm making for this video is a smashed chickpea salad sandwich. So I'm just adding some mayo along with some other things to some chickpeas. I'm going to be mashing them with a potato masher. So to store this, I add the chickpea mixture into a smaller container that I put inside of my my Pyrex containers. And then I'm also adding in the veggies. I'll actually build the sandwich right before eating. So in case you're wondering how to keep sandwiches fresh when you're meal prepping, that's how you do it. All right, so I'm finished my meal prep for today. So of course I have my overnight oats that I mixed up here with some berries and some jam. I also used one of the pad thai salads from Summer Fresh and added some coleslaw to it and pan fried some tofu as well. I made the Greek pasta salad with edamame for protein, made some stuffed peppers, and then I have my one pan tofu with broccoli and cauliflower. There's hummus around the broccoli and cauliflower, and it was roasted, and I have some snack boxes here along with some inputs for a sandwich, and that's a chickpea spread right there.
All right, thank you so much for joining me today. So don't forget to subscribe, as I do post these meal prep videos weekly, and definitely head to NicoleOsinga.com to grab the full recipes. Thank you so much and have a great day.